Welcome to our channel. If you want to delete your Facebook search history to maintain privacy and clear your search records, follow these step-by-step instructions to remove past searches. Step 1. Open the Facebook app on your mobile device or access Facebook using a web browser on your computer. Step 2. Tap the search icon at the top of the screen to open the search bar. Step 3. On mobile, tap Edit next to Recent Searches to view your search history. On web, click the search bar to see recent searches. Step 4. Tap the X icon next to individual search entries to delete specific searches one by one. Step 5. To clear all search history at once, tap Clear Searches or Clear All at the top of the recent searches list. Step 6. Confirm the action by tapping Clear Searches again when prompted to permanently remove all search history. Step 7. Alternatively, go to Settings and Privacy, select Settings, then Activity Log, and click on Search History to manage and delete searches from there. Step 8. Review your search history regularly to maintain privacy and prevent others from seeing your past searches. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.